Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the 1099 report feature within QuickBooks Online. I'm going to start by showing you the vendor that I expect to see appear on this report, and then work backwards and show you how to get them on the report. So if I go to Expenses, Vendors, I have a 1099 sample vendor. I click on my vendor. I can see professional fees, $900. I click on this. I can see it's paid out of checking. There's no reason that this vendor should not get a 1099. So I'm going to go to Reports and Reports. I'm going to search the 1099 transaction detail report, and it's blank. It doesn't show the vendor. I knew this was going to happen, which is why I started with the vendor so you could see it, just in case this happens to you. There's a weird setting we have to change. So first, I just want to show you that I have checked the 1099 box. I don't want you to think that that is it. So right here, I put in a fake business ID number. I said track payments. Like in theory, it's all set up correctly, except there's goofiness that you have to follow. So on the left-hand side, I go to taxes, and then I go to 1099 filings. I click on continue. Even if I'm not going to use QuickBooks to file my 1099s, I have to do this to make the other report show information. This is the screen where I select what things I want to keep track of. So I want to keep track of 1099 NEC, and then I want to choose the accounts that apply. So it's basically saying which accounts in my chart of accounts will I have assigned money that should appear on this form. If you're not really familiar with this, I encourage you to watch a different video, or even better, I would love it if you just read the IRS instructions, even though they're super boring and sometimes convoluted. So for the purpose of this, I'm just going to go to professional fees. I'm going to check the box. I'm going to pretend that I filled in all of these squares. I'm going to choose next. It's like, okay, contractors, whatever. It brings this up, which is nice. I'm just going to say save and finish later. The whole reason I did this is so that I could generate my 1099 report, so that I could then decide how I'm going to file my 1099s. So let's go to Reports and Reports. I'm going to do the 1099 transaction report. I don't know why it always does this weird refresh thing. But now I can see sample vendor had a payment $900. Let me just make a second for them. I want you to see what it looks like when there's more than one. Let's make this for October 1st. Professional fees, we'll make it $500. Save and close. And so now I can see sample vendor. They had a total of $1,400, so on and so forth. This video is not intended to explain what a 1099 is, or even show you how to file a 1099. What I wanted to do was give you one method to pull up a report telling you who your 1099 vendors are. I'm going to make a couple more videos of a couple of different ways I can pull this information. I just thought I'd show you how to get your 1099 transaction detail report to be anything other than blank. So if you're still with me, to get this, I got to taxes, 1099 filings, continue, and you have got to map your accounts. So let's go back. Only the things that you mapped here will show up on that report. So hopefully this has been helpful. Have a wonderful and delightful January, as difficult as that feels sometimes. If you get stuck or need help with your 1099s, reach out to your accounting professional, reach out to us. There's lots of people available to help you. Thank you so much, and have a great day.